Alright, so I got a Royce Union last week at the swap meet for 30 bucks. And I bought this smaller Mongoose complete with some decent wheels and tires on it. So I'm going to put those on the Royce Union because the Royce Union is a larger bike. And me being a 41-year-old 5'5" man, I just prefer a larger frame. So I'm going to combine these and make one decent BMX for myself, and hopefully I don't kill myself. Right on, right on. Party time, party, party. Good times. Royce Union, 30 bucks. Swap meet. Can't go wrong with that. And little Mongoose. I rode this one out of the swap meet to the car. Wheels and tires. Probably worth 40 bucks alone, so party. Laters. God bless you. The grace of Lord Jesus Christ be with all of us.